Hello, this is my first time to make a review in any product, and because I'm absolutely satisfied and highly recommend this product. I wish I have time to demonstrate. I've been using this just one time so far, and then uh, I might not need it for a while now because my teeth really clean in and out now. But hey, very easy to use. There is a USB charging port in here in the back. It's come with the cables. It's actually in my bathroom right now, and I only use this head in front, so this, and the other one, the point sharp point one, that's for the between the teeth, and this one for the surface and inside or outside area of the teeth. And I highly recommend, you must have this just for cleaning the teeth. You don't need to visit dentist. For other purpose you might still need to see your dentist, but I think for me, for cleaning, no. I know the result. I've been there many times, and after use this for 15 minutes, I said I won't visit just for cleaning again. And a very uh, good product. You must have. Absolutely, you must have.